In this video, I'll show you how to add BNB Smart Chain to Coinbase Wallet. Alright, so by default, BNB Smart Chain is on Coinbase Wallet. It's already in your networks. You just need to be on your wallet over here at the bottom right. Click on Settings on the top right. And here you will see Networks. And in Networks, you'll see here BNB Binance Smart Chain already there. Now, if you don't see it, what you can do is you can go to the top right and click on the plus icon. And now you can manually add everything. And what we'll do is we'll just use Coinbase's actual setup here. So this is everything that you need to fill in. You can pause the video to just make sure you do it correctly. This word here by RPC URL is wallet. Sorry, it's not fully fitting in. And when you're done, all you need to do is hit add network and you're good to go. The obvious reason that you would need BNB Smart Chain is if you're trying to send funds to Binance. BNB Smart Chain functions as a type of gas fee, so you need to have some of that. Not a lot, but you do need to have enough depending on your transaction. And that's all there is to it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.